Earth has been through some really scary stuff. Giant rocks from space, massive volcanoes, freezing ice. Let's see the most dangerous events in Earth's history. 66 million years ago, a rock as wide as 100 football fields, about 10 kilometers, hit Earth in Mexico. Dust blocked the sun, temperatures dropped, plants died, and over 75% of species disappeared, including dinosaurs. One giant rock changed the whole world. Scientists found the crater, called Chicxulub, and it's bigger than most cities.
Hey, Blink. It looks you are tired. I will continue from here. So, around 74,000 years ago, the Toba supervolcano in Indonesia erupted. Ash blocked the sun, temperatures dropped, and humans almost went extinct. It caused a volcanic winter that lasted years. Imagine winters so cold you can't go outside at all. Some scientists think the human population might have dropped to just a few thousand people. Earth had several ice ages. The last one, 20,000 years ago, covered much of North America and Europe in ice. Food was scarce and animals had to survive or die. People lived in caves, hunted big animals, and wore animal skins to stay warm. Some glaciers were over 3 kilometers thick. That's taller than 30 football fields stacked. 250 million years ago, the deadliest event in Earth's history happened. The Permian-Triassic extinction. Massive volcanoes released poisonous gases, oceans got toxic, and 96% of sea creatures plus 70% of land animals disappeared. Almost all life had a reset button pressed. It took millions of years for life to recover. Imagine waiting millions of years for new animals. Water can be super scary too. Mega floods caused by melting ice or asteroid impacts reshaped continents and destroyed early civilizations. Some waves were taller than 30-story buildings. Crazy, right? I think now I have to go to see about Mr. Blink. And yes, Earth survived asteroids or volcanoes, ice ages, and floods. Life is tough, smart, and clever. If you love this, subscribe to Blinkaro for more amazing facts. And if you want to learn about black holes that even light can't escape, click right here.